Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We're going to be working on head 16 and I am staying with oil pastels because I need one more oil pastel because I'm kind of off in my count because my mom's birthday she chose pan pastel when I was supposed to be doing oil pastel, so I want one more oil pastel. And I have chosen Eric Dane McSteamy from Grey's Anatomy. And here's the picture that I want to look at while I draw. And all I did was do the Z to kind of get where the nose is. And I'm just going to do the rest with observation. And I did put a little grid just so I could see if I put the grid down the center of the nose, it doesn't also go down the center of the lip. The center of the nose is right above this part of the lip instead of this part of the lip because he's on an angle. His head is on an angle like this. And I have a hard time drawing angles, but I'm going to have to learn because almost everybody I seem to like taking pictures of or looking at, their heads are always on an angle. So his head's like this, like this, like this. And if I come down here at the center of his nose, there's one square and then two squares to almost the end of his ear. And on this side, though, there's just one square and a little bit. So there's more face on this side than this side. This side's lighter than this side. Yeah, I think I'm going to have fun. This might be very hard to do. I wanted to pick a picture of Eric Dane smiling because he has such a great smile, but teeth are hard. I've only done teeth twice. I don't enjoy doing teeth. So I thought this would be a nice picture. Doesn't he have the most beautiful eyes? He was such a handsome man. And I loved his character, McSteamy. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to be drawing with my mechanical pencil and my Faber-Castell kneadable art eraser. And I am using my Canson XL Giant Mixed Media Sand Grain. It's a really nice paper. I really like this for oil pastels. And I have a ton of it. It's got a nice texture on it. So anyway, I'm just going to watch bones and do some drawing. I'm also going to be using my Dollarama ruler. And that's about it. So I'll come back later, okay? Okay, guys, so I decided to draw those few grids that I had just so I would get the width of the face right because, like I said, I have a hard time when a face is angled. But I'm not sure that these grids help me at all. They made me more confused, if anything. So yeah, I still have to find a way to do it. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking and I will play some music for you, okay? Okay, guys, I am back and I have my sketch and I did the eyes. I don't know if the eyes were on camera. I just used some of my Polychromos colored pencils. And now I have my Cray Pas Specialist, which are artist quality oil pastels. There's 50 sticks. And what's really cool about these that I really do like is that, let's just grab a nice bright orange one. They have their name on them. They're square. They're nice size. And they also have their pigment information and the lightfast rating And they have usually a color number or a color name somewhere too. It's just my eyes are having a hard time reading it. But yeah, so these, I'm just touching it and you're not seeing any orange on my hand. These are harder than almost all of my other oil pastels, except for the Pentel, my real cheap ones. But anyway, we're going to give this a shot. And if I need some softer ones to go over, I have my Art Echo, which are softer than these. But they don't have light fast rating, but they do say that they're light fast. And I also have my Late Wish ones. And I'm not sure about the light fast rating on the Light Wish ones either. So, yeah. So we'll see how much we can do with this. And I'm just going to watch bones and color and enjoy myself. So I hope you enjoy. I will fast forward this for you guys, okay? Let's see if he turns out all right. Hopefully he will. All right. Okay, guys, I am back, and here is Mark Sloan, aka Dr. McSteamy. This is the best I could do. It's not my best work, but that's because I used my Cray Pas Specialist. I kind of hate them, you guys. These were, I would say this is the worst set of pastels that I own. These feel like working with a crayon instead of an oil pastel. These are supposed to be really good artist quality oil pastels. They're like 100 years old, this company. These square sticks, they're supposed to be great because they're light fast and they're supposed to have really good colors and everything, but they're very translucent and they're not very opaque and they're like waxy. They're not creamy at all. So you can put other oil pastels over top of them, and but even then it makes it really slidey and hard to work with. So yeah, this is not my best work. I feel really sad. I'm going to try this again. I'm going to try Mark Sloan again. What is his real name? Eric Dane. This is Eric Dane. I'm going to try him again when I have more experience, because I would like to do a good job with him, you know? And I can see right now part of the problem that I have is I didn't go under the nose enough with the color for the, like the shadow where the mustache starts. So let me add that in and see if that helps. It went all the way up here. And up here. And the nose dark area has to be darker. So let me just add some darker color in here. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. That's the best I could do. His eyes are kind of wonky. I don't know. Yeah, this is not my best work, but he looks okay. But the eyes just don't seem right. I just didn't get the eyes right. They're not lined up properly. I think this eye got too wide when I added the color. This eye should be more hooded and come down more, maybe. But I don't think I could fix it, you guys. I think this eye should come down, like, lower on this side. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to fix it at this point. But this is the best I could do, so we're going to stop here. So what I'm going to do is take this into the other room. I'm going to just put some hairspray on it. I don't know if you could see, these pastels they're the most crummy out of all my pastels. I had to go with my Kleenex and try to pick up all of these little balls of pastel that were left behind, these crumbs. I went with like 3 different Kleenexes as I worked. I've been trying to pick them up, but they were just everywhere. And this, yeah, I probably won't use these Cray Pas Specialists again. They're not my favorite. But anyway, so that is it. I'll come back when it's done and we'll see how it looks. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys. Okay, so I am back and I am all done with my version of Eric Dane or Dr. McSteamy. I like the painting, but there's something wrong with the eyes. His head is tilted so the eyes are on an angle, but I still, when I was adding color, I think I brought that eye down too much, more than it needs to go. I don't know. There's something wrong with the eyes. I mean, he's handsome, but he doesn't look like McSteamy. I kind of lost the look. I'll show you the picture that I was looking at here if I can find it. Anyway, let's take off the tape and see what it looks like. Well, it won't look like anything different because I didn't do a background for McSteamy. I didn't think he needed one. And I did, like I do almost all the time, I did the outfit just more like a cartoony kind of style. Very sketchy. Just because I don't have a whole lot of time to do all of these. I mean, I'm trying to learn. I'm not trying to do like perfect things every time. This is a learning opportunity for me because I never knew how to do portraits and I'm trying to learn how to do them. Sorry I hit the camera. So anyway, I did not care for the way these pastels felt using them, but they do look nice and they're like vibrant and pretty. But yeah, the Cray Pas Specialists, they feel like working with a crayon, like a Crayola crayon, more so than working with an oil pastel. And I like the creaminess of an oil pastel better. So these feel more waxy and hard, and they're very crumbly. But they are light fast, and they're supposedly artist quality. So anyway, so that is it for McSteamy. And I feel kind of bad now because he's gonna not be with his Grey's Anatomy friends. He's gonna be behind all the other ones because I took a break from Grey's Anatomy. Here's Meredith and Derek. And Christina and the Chief. But then I did my mom because it was her birthday. So then I did my dad because I did my mom. And then I did Marie and Frank Barone because they are so much like my parents. And now here is McSteamy. He's going to go in here too. And here's what he looks like in the folder. So yeah, I'm happy with them. So let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting, happy painting, happy whatever it is you love doing. Bye, guys.